back to Hasu and Teju. This is Teju, and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cute, beautiful fairy. So let's start. So now let's take a pencil and draw a fairy. So let's go. First, let's start out with two eyes. One eye. Right there. And two eye. Next, inside our eyes, let's draw two circles. Well, half a circle. And make them looking like this side. Like, look, she's like a fairy is looking somewhere. And now with our pencil, let's just color these blank spots in. So color. Make sure you see lines. Not right side, the circle. No, so that's the right side. That is the right side. So coloring. And just lines. So and now we are finished with two eye coloring there. So now let's draw a smile. Well, the smile has to be between the two eyes, and you'll see why I said the smile has to be between two eyes. So yeah, in a couple of minutes you'll see why I said that. So starting from here, let's draw its like chin. So go up like that. So starting from here, which we did, we're gonna draw like a kind of like a bulgy shape of her head, kind of like a jello there, just like that. And now let's draw her hairband. Starting from here, let's draw her hairband just like that. Next, let's draw like a part of her hair. Starting from here, let's draw a line, and then going back down, and then back up, down, back up, down, back up, down, back up, down, back up. Keep going like that. Try to like make it like go on this side, and then back down all the way. Now let's go on to her dress. We didn't finish her hair yet, but we're gonna do it in a couple of minutes. So starting from here, let's draw her dress. So right there, another one. And then starting from here, let's draw like curves of a dress. So curve, 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 and curve. So to make her legs, we're just gonna start in one of these curves, and then like draw like two straight lines, and then curve them out there. Now, starting from another two lines, try to make like the same shape of lines, but farther and curve. Now let's draw her shoes. It's just two lines going, just like that. Now let's draw her arms. So, arm. The fairy wand is not in this arm, but it is in this arm. She's like twinkling over there. I can draw a bulge where that's where all the magic is holded. So yeah. Now let's finish her hair. Starting from like a thin layer, we're gonna finish her hair. So starting from a very thin layer. And to attach this, we're gonna just like go like that. You can see that little line there. And with the same thickness, we're gonna go down and attach. They're gonna attach between her two arms and her head, just like that. Now, we're gonna add some, now let's add her fairy wings. Every fairy needs some wings, so let's draw her some wings. Then from here, we're gonna draw one big line, and then going on to the next side. So try to make like try to make an invisible line, and then up, there we go. Next, starting from here where we stopped, we're gonna curve down like it's a leaf. Just like that. And again, let's do the same to this wing. And now they're gonna be like the same exact size. To make the fairy's wing like real, we're gonna draw another spot, another one. Attach back where the legs are. Now we're gonna draw like a design for a heart right there. This hearts look pretty. So now let's color our fairy so it can be beautiful. So let's get started to color. Color my fairy wings blue. You can color it a different color if you want. So first we're just gonna be starting out with the borders like that. So keep drawing. Actually, you can draw so keep the and back down. So keep going with those borders. So back. Okay. Next, let's draw like the borders from here. We have to draw borders to the hand so we don't get like inside the hand. Now I'm gonna make my hand peach. That's my hair. I'm gonna make my hair. So now the borders, I'm gonna put the borders, okay, so now the layer, the borders, and it's going to be because we got the borders and we don't anything. So now we're finishing our borders. So now from here, just draw our fairies with the wings. Be very careful and gentle when doing the coloring because you don't want to get any part of the fairy. So color. Keep coloring. It almost like the fairy things on the blue. I really like blue because it's just a cool expression. Yeah. So color. Keep coloring. This one. First part of our fairy's wing is finished. Now let's go into our second part. So now let's keep coloring. And color the borders again. So keep coloring the borders. So color the borders. Do our part. Be very careful. Try to stay in line there. So we're going to here's the borders. And remember, there outside borders. There. So the one outside together. And so now let's bring out just coloring it like that. Okay. So color. Now let's bring it. So now let's bring our blue to this side. So we just finished like one part of our fairy's wings. Now let's go on to another. So draw our fairy's borders. So borders and so now we're asking very careful because you want to get angle on the dress and the fairy's much part of the line. So now you have to be very careful. You need a little part to make her arms and put that in the machine first. So let's draw borders. And also borders we don't just get in our hair. You like blue. So be careful with them. So just pass through the hair. Oh, we'll start. Okay, so now and we're just finishing part there. And part, some part. And I'll just add a layer more there. Now let's add it on the layer. I'll just go with that. Be careful. Very careful. So keep going. So now one whole side plus another one part of the side is finished. Now let's go on to our last part, which is right there. So let's get coloring. So again, let's start out with our borders of our fairy. So color borders and make sure you get onto your dress. Be very careful just to use lines so you get penis. More like anyway, that is. So next part, we'll be very careful there. So now it's coloring. Very good. And okay. So now let's color our wing part. Very careful use that part so you can color your dress. And then like that. So now our wings are ready. I colored them blue because I really like the color blue on wings, and yeah. So now let's color our shoes in, and I'm gonna color my shoes in pink. The borders again, and then another fat layer of borders. We can just color it done actually since it's just small. No, borders actually. It's already got there, and then they're together at once. So I'm just going. So the fairy's two shoes are colored pink. Now let's go on to her legs, which I'm gonna color peach. So let's color in our borders. Make sure you don't get it on her dress. This is like the trickiest part. Next, let's color in that white spot in the middle. Color. The fairy's one leg is finished. Now let's go on to the fairy's second leg. So remember, we're gonna start out with bordering. Border. Next, be careful about the dress there, and then color in the white spots. So now the fairy's two legs are finished coloring their peach. So now let's go on to her dress. I want her dress to be pink to match with her shoes. So now let's color our dress pink. Be careful so you don't get the pink on her face. So we're just going to be starting out with the borders. Remember that. And then color each part of those. Be careful you don't get it anywhere on like the legs or something. Just don't be like, I already colored the legs, so I don't have to be careful. Well, you have to be careful because sometimes the light and the dark colors can like mix up, and yeah, So now let's start coloring. You can put different designs like a daisy or a sunflower. You can choose. But I chose a heart. Hearts look very pretty on dresses for some reason. So now let's color our little baby our heart. So keep coloring. I'm just gonna close it in there. Not some yellow. Squiggly. So that's it on. Now let's go in there. Color. And yeah. Now let's color our heart blue. Blue is a nice color with pink. Blue. And this is not the same color as our wings. This was the color of our wings. So now let's go on to our arms. So now let's go on to the fairy's arms. I'm gonna be using peach like I did for the legs because it's peach. And then color in the hand. Now let's go on to our fairy's wand. I want the fairy's wand to be purple. Purple is a nice color there. So color. Now the little fairy's wand is done. So now let's go on to her face. First we'll start out with her 2 circle eyes. I'm gonna be using the same blue as I did for the heart. So I choose that as blue. Now let's do her face. Peach. Color. Keep going. You're gonna color her hair as her hair. So keep going. Go out. Color. And do not touch the pencil of the smile, or it's gonna go gray, kind of like that. So keep coloring. Color. I'm just gonna finish off this one now. Color. Her face, the same color is gonna be peach. I'm not sure. So now our face is ready. Now let's go on to her hair and her hair band. So I'm gonna make her hair light purple. I'll be coloring her hair purple, this kind of purple. So I'm gonna start out with here. Make sure you do not go into the peach or the blue. Just I'm just doing mine here. So keep going all over the rainbow, but different colors. So keep coloring. So now our part of her hair is done. Now let's color our second part of her hair. This is all her hair, guys. This is just a hair band, which is in the middle. And this is all her hair. The purple is meeting the peach, saying hi, hello. So the purple is kind to say hi and hello, or maybe even more. So the purple has, I think, I have a friend there. So now our hair is colored purple. Now let's color her hairband pink so it can match her dress and her shoes. And guess what? I have a pink hairband if you noticed. So yeah. So color. So now our fairy is finished coloring and drawing. It looks cute and beautiful. Her eyes twinkle like the summer sky. So I hope you also like this fairy, and kids, you can try this at home. It's very cute and simple. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Bye!